In this video, let me show you how to fix Spotify account hack. So if you think your account or Spotify was hacked, in this situation, the first thing and the immediate solution or the immediate thing that you need to do is open up Spotify on a web browser. So search for spotify.com or open.spotify.com and make sure you log in if you can. And right here, you'll have the option which says sign out of everywhere. This makes sure that your account is currently signed out of all of the devices it is currently logged into. Now, if this is not the case with you and you cannot log in to your Spotify using a web browser, the second thing that you can try out is try to reset your password. So just search for reset your password, Spotify reset password, and you'll be able to see this first link. And right here, you'll need to add in your email address or your username and tap on the send link option. This way, you'll be able to get the password reset link on your email address that is linked with your Spotify, and from there you'll be able to change your password and gain account of your account. Now, if none of these solutions work out and you do not have access to your email address either, then what you need to do is head over to the contact page. So search for Spotify contact, open this website or this link right here, tap on messages, and right here you need to send in a message describing the issue. So make sure you exactly explain that your account was hacked. So once you send in this message, Snapchat will contact you and you should be able to gain access of your account using this process. I do hope this guide video did help you out in solving this issue. If it did, be sure to let us know. That's gonna be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.